CV go when you press send? Because once you send it out, you have no control over it. So if you understand where it goes, you can start to prepare your CV in a way that meets the needs of that audience. Secondly, what should go on your CV and what shouldn't. What goes onto your CV at a graduate level is very different to what goes onto my CV 20 odd years into my career, okay? Also some tips on how to prepare for an interview and what else to do to support your job hunting process. Because your CV is only one tool in your toolkit. Preparing for the interview, networking, building relationships, building your profile, being active on LinkedIn, and a whole bunch of other things are all other tools in your toolkit. So please be aware that just having a CV isn't enough, okay? And yeah, and then if you've got some questions, you can either hold them to the end, but actually I prefer that you ask them as you've got questions. So let's try and make this a little bit interactive. I don't really want to stand here and lecture to you. I'd rather that if you hear something that I say and you question it, let me know. Or if you've had an experience, let's talk about it. Okay, so firstly, the styles of CVs and what recruiters look for over the course of your career change as you develop more experience. So what I really want you to understand is this is advice for you on where you're at right now. When you've had 2 or 3 years of working experience, the style of your CV will need to change. And once you've had 10 or 15 years experience, the style will change again. So don't get caught up in thinking that now that you've got a template that's worked for somebody else, that's the same template that you're going to use forever. Okay. So if you share this template with other people, which you're more than welcome to do, make sure that they understand that this is a template specifically targeted at a graduate level. Okay.